In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter fixed assets into QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a new fixed asset in your chart of accounts, so it's ready for accurate reporting and depreciation. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. At the top right of your screen, look for the small gear icon. This is your main settings hub. Click on the gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is basically the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's where all your accounts live, including your fixed assets like vehicles, equipment, and furniture. Once you're on the chart of accounts page, look for the New button, usually near the top right of the list. Go ahead and click New. This opens a form where you'll define the details of your new asset account. The first thing you'll see is the Account Type dropdown. Open that menu and select either Fixed Asset or Other Assets, depending on how your accountant prefers to structure things. In most small business cases, you'll choose Fixed Asset for items you plan to use over several years, like machinery or a company car. Next, you'll see a field called Detail Type. This is a more specific description under the main account type. Pick the option that best matches what you're adding. For example, you might see something like vehicles, office equipment, or furniture. Choosing the closest match helps keep your reports organized and easier to read later. Now, enter the account name. Make this clear and specific so you can recognize it at a glance. Instead of just saying vehicle, you might say company truck or office computer, 2025 purchase. The clearer the name, the easier it will be to track this asset in the future. Below that, you'll see an option to track depreciation for this asset. Check the box that says Track Depreciation of this asset. This tells QuickBooks that this is something that will lose value over time and that you want to record that depreciation properly. Even if your accountant helps you with the actual depreciation entries, having this box checked sets you up correctly. You'll then be asked for the original cost of the asset and an as-of date. Enter the full purchase price of the asset in the original cost field, including things like taxes or installation fees if they're part of the asset's total cost. For the as-of date, enter the actual purchase date or the date you started using the asset in your business. Getting this date right is important because it affects your depreciation timeline and your reports. Once everything looks good, double-check your entries for any typos or incorrect dates. When you're confident the information is accurate, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will add this new fixed asset account to your chart of accounts, and you're done. That's all it takes to enter a fixed asset into QuickBooks Online. Following these steps will help keep your balance sheet clean and make year-end reporting and tax preparation much smoother.